What's the meaning of breadboard? Breadboard. Breadboard.
Breadboard. Breadboard. A breadboard is a base for prototyping electronic circuits, used to temporarily connect components without the need for soldering. It has a grid of holes that allow wires and components to be easily inserted and removed. Breadboards enable rapid testing and modification of circuit designs before they are committed to a permanent printed circuit board, PCB. The result is a versatile and cost-effective method for building and testing electronic circuits, particularly for hobbyists and students.